many of us, we get together on, at least I was this person, get together on Friday evenings, sharing a drink with several people, including my co-founder now, saying, ये कर सकते हैं, ये तो पक्का चलेगा, 100%, इसमें तो बहुत अच्छा मार्जिन है, या फिर ये तो बहुत लोगों को चाहिए. I think I've heard that myself saying that, and we've all heard our friends saying that. Those aren't start of your startups at all, right? The start of your startup is when you figured out a minimum viable way of testing out that proposition. And a threshold number of people who you can call customers have come back and said, I like this solves a real problem for me, and I'm willing to pay a certain amount of money now or in the future. It's possible some ideas don't have revenue right on day one. I run a transactional business, I understand only those. I don't understand truly businesses that can get monetized much later, but I can see that if engagement follows, revenue will follow. So traction defined in some shape or form needs to come. Until then, you haven't really got started. So if you have an idea, just because you want it may not be, signal enough that everyone does. While it's a good start, you got to go out and test it out there. And by the way, you have to go and get product market fit. You cannot go and get product Koramangala fit, right? Because that can happen very quickly. There are these, little kind of whirlpools of customers who will try something, but it may not be sizable enough to reach the point. So if you solve an intense problem for somebody and people tell you that, I think that's where you have some validation, and then you can layer on a few other questions on top of that. Without that, frankly, it's pie in the sky. I won't want you to kind of just think about yourself as an entrepreneur just yet. It's an experiment. Most of the times, it's an experiment. And the way the experiment is defined is, it's not an experiment if you know it's going to work, right? So then that's something that you already know does. You've got to go and try something out there, and it may work, it may not work. And once you have that validation, you are finally started on your journey.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. It means a lot that you watched the whole video. Show us some love, hit the like button, and maybe comment and share with your friends. Subscribe to stay updated with newest stories from YOSO Media, and maybe share yours someday. Don't forget to hit the bell icon. See you.